Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Epic Games Launcher is running can't uninstall. To start, open the control panel. After, click on Uninstall a program. Now select Epic Games Launcher and click Uninstall. Click Yes to confirm. How you see the error that Epic Games is still running appear. To fix this error, right-click on the Start menu and select Task Manager. In the Task Manager, select the Epic Games Launcher process and click on End Task to close it. Now open the control panel again and try to uninstall Epic Games Launcher again. Now it's possible to uninstall this app. Here, click Yes to confirm, wait for the process to continue and click Yes again to configure the services. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. You can see that Epic Games Launcher has been removed from PC. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.